Honda Civic FD 2006 to 2011 version, installed for OneGo 10.1 inch Android big screen GPS player with special OEM casing, good fitting OEM casing. So no block aircon. Okay, OEM socket plug and play. OneGo 10.1 inch, 1 gig RAM with 16 gig storage. It's got a Bluetooth function, Bluetooth call, pairing with your phone. It's got a mic input here, and click for the music icon for Bluetooth music. Radio. So select the frequency you want. Okay, and click save. Okay, back. Full menu. Okay, gray color setting. Wi-Fi. Turn on Wi-Fi. Pairing with your phone. Connect with your phone hotspot for internet. Blue color car setting. Equalizer. Preset equalizer. System info. Okay, one Android 8.1, 1 gig RAM, 16 gig storage. Factory setting 8888. Okay, factory setting. GPS detect. So it's got a GPS antenna. Okay, preset volume, a brightness, daytime and nighttime. Styling control, change logo, other setting. Okay, file manager. It's 10.1 inch Android, no DVD, no SD card. So it's got a 2 USB slot. So USB extension we'll put in the drawer. Support USB pen drive and USB portable hard disk. Play Store, log in Gmail, download app. Phone link for mirror link, selected phone model. So Android player, you have to clear apps, clear it one by one or close all. So this is 10.1 inch Android GPS big screen player. OneGo OG-AD810, 1 gig RAM with 16 gig storage, 2.5D capacitance glass screen, a curved screen. Okay, for Honda Civic FD, installed by OneBiz. Thank you. And video by Andy.